A 5-minute plus bushcraft knife, a DIY, one that you can do yourself. Oh yeah, 5.5-inch handle, lots of torque, lots of power, 4-inch blade, heavy duty stainless steel. You can do it yourself. Here we go. Enjoy. Bushcraft knife. You can make one in 5 minutes or less. Then you can fine tune it and take your time. Stay tuned. Here we have the mossy oak hunting knife, field knife, with a gut hook on it right up there. Uh-oh, you can see a line going across there. Don't make fun of my crooked line. But anyway, we are going to cut that off because I need a bushcraft knife, a short one. This blade on this particular knife is only 4 inches. I don't need that gut hook feature right there. So I'm going to take that off, go ahead and cut that off, and shape this blade a little bit differently so I have my bushcraft knife. I don't have to spend $50, $100, $200 for one. I can take this knife that I bought for $5, brand new, bought about 10 of them at once. I give them away as gifts and stuff. Steel, stainless steel, fairly thick, strong. Yes, this will spark a ferrocerium rod. I can guarantee you that. I've used this knife for a while. But I need a bushcraft knife, a smaller one. Now, normally I only like knives that are 6 inches or longer as far as blade length goes. Now this is a 4-inch blade, but I think it's going to work good so I can get the finer detail. This is what I need to do. I need a shorter blade knife to do finer quality work. Any good sharp knife should be able to make a fuzz stick, but this here is for cutting triggers and notches and things of that nature. So let's see what we can do here. I'm going to set it up, clamp it down. We're going to cut the tip of it off right there, the top portion. See how it turns out. Here, I want to make sure I don't get this too hot, so I got to take it easy. I just can't go zip right through it. You always got to be careful so you don't take the temper out of it. And almost looking at the quality, the metal, it's not bad, solid. Now, these indentations from the original gut hook that was up there, they're just going to have to remain. Move on to the grinder. I lucked out on this one. This is all I had to do. See all that? That indentation where the gut hook was, that's okay. It's not going to hurt anything. I just go ahead and finish that up with a file, hone this, sharpen that with a stone, and right there, 4-inch blade, that will be my fine-tuning little bushcraft knife. Not a survival knife, there's a big difference. I always like a 6-inch blade or larger for that. But for bushcraft, notches, triggers, carving this or that, I think this is going to do good. Good thick steel, high quality. Like I said, I got these here on sale, so went ahead and modified it to suit my purpose. So I just clean up all this, buff it out. All this here is 90 degrees, but more importantly, I can do the fine work that's needed with some bushcraft projects. That's not too bad. I like it. Just something short, simple, and sweet. Didn't have to spend $50 or $100 or $200. And this is just Mossy Oak brand. It could be any brand knife that's high quality. And the reason why I like this is because of the size of the handle, the grip. You can put a lot of pressure and torque on this handle and get in there and just cut, shave that wood, whatever it is you need to do. Lanyard hole, that's pretty good. I'm happy. It worked for me. I hope these ideas will help you. Take what you have and work with it. See if you can make it into something that you need or you want. You can save a lot of money that way.